we're going to use AppStickr to build a tutorial for our Dino jump game. And this is our Dino jump game right here. And you can see the buildings come and the dinosaur jumps over it like so. And if the dinosaur hits the building, the game is over. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my title, Dino jump game. Next, I'm going to select my main image, which is this right here. Next, I'll select the URL that I want to go to. So if I go to create, that'll give me the URL. So I'll put that right here. And now I'll put a description. This is a Scratch game where the dino must avoid buildings. So we'll do that. Once that's done, I'll click create. And it'll take me to the steps. So I have a few options for steps. I have media, code, where I can write code. Right now the language is set to JavaScript, so I can write a little bit of JavaScript, and you can see it pops up there. I can do markdown, so if I want to do a list, I can do that. I can also do YouTube videos where I can embed a YouTube video or a YouTube playlist directly in as a step. So I just paste in the YouTube video and it embeds the playlist like so. I'm going to pick media and I'm going to do a video. The first step in this tutorial is delete the cat sprite. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll select the image for that, which is right here. And then I'll click save. Next, I'll click on add step to add another step. And the next step is create the main background. And I'll click that. And click, oops, let me see if I can click that, and I'll click save. Once I'm done with that, I'll add another step by clicking the add step button, and the next step is choose Dino sprite. So I'll add that, step 3, and click save. One thing to note is that I can change the order of the sprite, so I can click this move back button, and it'll move this step forward. So this is now the first step, choose Dino sprite. I'll move it forward the other way, so I can move it forward or backwards or whichever way I want. When I'm done creating the tutorial, I can click this done button, and that'll take me to the website. If I want to see it in Scratch, I can click this live preview button, and it'll open up a new tab with the tutorial in it. And you can see the tutorials right here. And here I can navigate like this, and I can also use these arrows as well. I can minimize, I can exit out of the tutorial, and all that stuff. This dinosaur is for feature requests. So if you have a feature request, click on the dinosaur and it'll take you to the feature request page. So now that we've done that, I'm going to publish this tutorial. So I'll click on publish, and then I'll click on my shared AppStickrs. And you can see I have an AppStickr right here. If you want to change what this says, so right now I have it set to Noah's Tuts, you can go here and change this. So I can say Noah's tutorials, sorry. And that'll change it to that, and there we go. So that's how you create an AppStickr, and then your students would just go here and click on this, and it would take them directly to the tutorial. So let's create a YouTube AppStickr. So next I'll click create, I'll click YouTube, and I'm going to embed this YouTube URL. So just copy and paste the URL you want. I'm going to choose Google for the site, and I'll add a description. This is a great video on making tutorials. Next I'll click create. And it'll take me to the live preview, because in these simple tutorials, there's only one step. I can then click on live preview to see it, and it'll embed the tutorial right into Google. I can also click edit to edit the tutorial. I'll click publish, and then I'll go back to here, and you can see I now have 2 AppStickrs on my shared AppStickr page. And you can share this with anyone. You don't have to be logged in to see this. All right. So that's the end of this. One thing to note too is that you can also upload playlists as well. So if you have a playlist URL, you can just copy and paste that in. So that's the end of this video. I hope you all have a great day, and check out AppStickr. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know. We'd love to hear from you.